I had to go ahead and catch a daylily for you because, you know, they just bloom for one day. These are orange daylilies. There's quite a few of them here, quite a big patch. And look at the beautiful Queen Anne's lace. Gorgeous. It is just gorgeous. And here's that beautiful orange echinacea. They're normally purple, but these are orange. This is a specific begonia. I don't know the name of it, but I love it. I think it's beautiful. I'm going to pinch off a few leaves and get them started. It didn't come back as big as it usually does, and I don't want to lose it. So I'm just going to take these little pots right here and fill them up with soil, and then stick my begonia down in there and keep it good and wet, and I'm going to let it root. So here we go. I've got a half a dozen of these things put into soil. I'm going to bring them and put them in this little makeshift greenhouse that I've got right here. I've got to water them. Then I'll just pull this over it, this little greenhouse here, and I'll root these begonias here in this little thing. And I'll have more of them to set out in different places. I have a few more plants here, and I have one more planter that I hadn't got planted. So I'm going to plant that today. We'll put some soil in this hanging basket. Okay, I've got the soil in here. I'm going to dig down, put some plants in here. Now I'll just put some soil around the top of this and have this little planter planted. Donald's weed eating. He mowed today. Let's just show off this beautiful purple blooming clematis while it's blooming, because you know it'll be over before we know it. Let's just look at it in all of its glory. That big, beautiful ball of purple flowers. It is beautiful. Let's check out the perennial herb garden. See what we got going on in here. That comfrey has bloomed and it has spread out. The rosemary's right here. It's looking a little bit dry. We got catnip and thyme. Look at the thyme blooming. That is beautiful and that smells good. Oregano right here. More small thyme plants right here. One over this way. Sage. And oh my goodness, look at this beautiful thing. That's a pineapple sage. It is beautiful, as well as edible. Got a little rosemary in here, some more sage, some more oregano. And the poor little camellia that Donald transplanted it's really drying up, but those roots should still be alive down there. We're trying to keep that wet. Come in from the garden, it's not unusual for your hands to look like this. These are gardener hands. First of all, I'm just going to wash these hands. I'm going to use a nail brush. Some soap and water and get these hands cleaned up. I usually keep my nails trimmed shorter in the summertime because I am out here always gardening like this. A good thing to put into a gardener's gift basket is a nail brush, some good hand soap. A nice little garden themed hand towel. And one other thing. Gardener's salve. Now, gardener's salve is easy to make. I have a video about it on one of my channels, on my channel. And gardener's salve is just an excellent thing to use on your hands after you've come in and cleaned them. If you have any little nicks or any little scratches from gardening, the gardener's salve just conditions it. And that's an excellent thing to put into a gardener's gift basket. Along with some tools and gloves, put all that together and you've got a wonderful gift. This gardener's salve is a wonderful gift on its own. I'll still have to clean my nails a little bit better. Well, that's all for in the front garden today. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be a vegetable garden video. We've got some planting to do, and I just want to show you where that's at this time of the year. Thank you for joining me today, and like always, until next time.